Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will share a very simple and delicious Maharashtrian style Varan Bhaat, that is basic homemade style dal for beginners. So let's check the ingredients and begin. In a cooker, add 3 glasses of water with 1 glass of tuvar dal and pressurize this for 4 whistles on a medium flame. Now let's chop the tomato into medium size. Split the green chilies. Crush the garlic and keep it aside. After 4 whistles, once the pressure is released, open the lid carefully and mash the dal. Now let's give tempering to the dal. Turn on the heat, add required oil. Now add mustard seeds and cumin and allow it to splutter. Then add crushed garlic, green chili and hing. Saute all these ingredients for few seconds. Curry leaves. Add tomato and cook until it becomes soft. Turmeric and freshly chopped coriander leaves. Salt as required and mix all this for few seconds. Now add cooked tuvar dal and adjust the consistency by adding water. Later, bring it to boil for 2-3 minutes on a high flame. Finally, garnish this with fresh coriander leaves. Here the yummy dal is ready to serve. Enjoy this with steamed rice. Hope you like this video. Please click on the like button and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.